Now, something that goes hand in hand with the transforms is the 3D cursor, right? So the 3D cursor is basically a helper object that allows you to change the pivot of an object to have it pivot from a particular point, right? So if I come into this menu here and I say cursor, right? If I hit the R key, this object now rotates from where the 3D cursor is. Okay? So how is this useful? If I was rigging this object, for example, if I was rigging this and say this was a door and I wanted the object to rotate from, say, one of the vertices here, right? The way I do that is I would grab this 3D cursor icon from here. The shortcut is spacebar. I would turn on snapping, grab the 3D cursor, pop it there, okay? And now if I turn off my snapping, I turn off my cursor and I go back to the tweak mode, which is W. W is the shortcut key to the tweak mode. And then I hit the rotation. You can see this object now rotates from where the 3D cursor is. Okay. So what I can do is I can set my pivot to the 3D cursor. Okay, so this isn't 3D cursor coordinate system. I can go to the global mode and I can hit R and Y, for example, or R and X. Okay, so it's using that point there to do the rotations. So that's what the 3D cursor is used for, and it's very, very particular to Blender. You don't find it in other pieces of software. You know, only in Blender. You don't have that in Max. So if I wanted to return the 3D cursor to the origin, what I would do is I would hit Shift and C. Okay, and then you hit the period key to get back to the object.